why did you want to see my room again?
No reason whatsoever.
Ethan, what was the reason?
Michael!
I know. We invited him.
My name's Michael.
Anyway, what were we talking about?
I know. Let's play Stop the Hand game.
Still no.